you don't hear Ron?
Man, check out these guys' signal strength. One guy, he raised his voice a little bit and hit 35 dB over 9. I bet they're in Oregon or Washington. I'm using my Michigan Cacti vertical.
Down today, Mike, did I hear?
News travels.
Oh, man, I'll tell you what, there's no holding it back. Good thing we don't pay attention. What's that, YouTube or whatever?
I
don't either. But some people do.
Come on, ID.
Is that right?
ID.
Oh, he figures you had your QSO.
That's what he did a minute ago. He went, wow, and he hit 35 dB over 9, man.
And your temperature?
Yeah, he ID'd with CW while I was yakking. Huge signals on 20 meters with a vertical, but only on the West Coast. I can't talk to anybody else. Sorry about that background noise. The furnace and the fan next to me, but it's how I roll, man. So you notice I turned off my IPO function, or you should say on a Yaesu that you've enabled your IPO function. And look at him, he's still 10 dB over 9 at times.
No, I didn't get that.
There you go, over 10 dB over with no IP. And Yaesu with IPO on.
Over at Plains heating and air conditioning.
Well, if you say so,
Hey Yaesu, why can't you call the preamp?
There?
Well, I don't know when it pooped out, but she called me about 9-ish, quarter to 9 this morning.
Sorry about the shaky video, but at least I'm not shaky because I'm upset. Today, mighty huge signals on 20 meters in the evening. Local time, not yet 6:30 p.m., but almost. Blows out here, saying 73. Hey guys, one last thing from the very modest ham shack of chalk. Thank you guys for all of your comments to that last video. It means the world to me. I was pretty upset. My feelings were kind of hurt, yes, but it's much bigger than me. There's a lot of changes in the ham community. Technically for the better, sure. But with terrible social cost in the ham community. And you may have not experienced this, but you may not be a retiree who's going on 62 years old next month. As I can't understand where you stand, maybe you can't understand where I stand. And through civil dialogue and discourse, we can enjoy each other's different points of view. And that's something that's pretty much gone in our new world of social chaos. Just my own opinion. It worries me. It worries me. Take care, guys. 73.